Experience the epitome of urban living at 27 Magdalen Street, Colchester, a haven crafted for your utmost comfort and delight. Step into a world of diverse living options, from en-suites to stylish studios, each adorned with plush furnishings and ample storage space. Unwind in the communal lounge, ace your academic game in the dedicated study area, or challenge friends in the dynamic games room, every corner designed to elevate your leisure time. With all utility bills seamlessly included, managing your budget is effortless and worry-free. For academic pursuits, Essex University and University Campus Suffolk are a short drive away, ensuring you're always close to the heart of learning. Culinary adventures await at nearby hotspots such as the Yak and Yeti Colchester, the Grove Restaurant, and Ashiana Tandoori, offering a diverse range of cuisines to satisfy every palate. Excellent transport links ensure you're well connected to the entire city and beyond, making exploration effortless and exciting. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make 27 Magdalen Street your urban sanctuary in Colchester. Visit amberstudent.com now to secure your ideal living experience.